Hi guys. Huawei's Mate Xs is a tougher foldable phone lacking the apps you want. Despite nailing the reveal at MWC last year, Huawei's impressive foldable phone, the Mate X, never made it any further than briefings, press conferences and Chinese early adopters. There's a reason we didn't review it. Before that, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thanks you. Samsung's remade Galaxy Fold is the perfect analog for Huawei's Mate X's 5G, a phone that should be better prepared for prime time. Nothing particularly major has changed since the Mate X. There's still an 8-inch unfolded display, transforming to a 6.6-inch phone in standard smartphone mode. Unfolded, the screen isn't quite perfectly flat, but the seam is as subtle as Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip, which also packs a more advanced folding screen. For the Mate Xs, there are no claims of ultra-thin glass, but there are some technical improvements. 4 layers include a new polyamide material aimed at keeping the screen better protected. As for the rest of the hardware, there are more upgrades. There's a 4,500 mAh battery, split between 2 cells, with Huawei's new high-speed charging standard. That's a lot of power, and it demanded a new cooling system, with a design called Flying Fish Fin to speed up the cooling process. The camera array, located again on the hinge unit, includes a 40-megapixel main camera, with an 8-megapixel telephoto camera and an ultra-wide 20-megapixel shooter. There's a time-of-flight sensor, too, for portrait effects and such. Nothing has particularly changed here. Huawei's mobile cameras are still among the best, even if a lot of people will never get to try them. Folding and unfolding aside, the Mate X is made for an otherwise dry first impression. I watched YouTube through the browser, played with the camera, but then what else can I test?